Hey video creators, when watching old black and white movies, are you very annoyed by the lack of color pictures? So, do you want to know how to colorize black and white videos? Do you want to give black and white movies a new lease of life? Today, I will introduce UniFab Colorizer AI, which can help you easily colorize old black and white videos while significantly restoring the clarity and color of the picture. Let's get started. First, head over to UniFab's official website to download the software for free. I've added the free download link in the description below. You can see many AI functions on the homepage. We select Colorizer AI and import the video. You can select a reference frame on the timeline to capture the coloring. Then click Generate. The operation steps are also described in detail here. We need to wait for some time for UniFab to generate the color. UniFab will generate 4 different coloring styles. You can choose the one you like best. Finally, select the export location and click Start. We can see that the effect of UniFab Colorizer AI is just right. The colors in the picture are natural, the details are rich, the skin color and scenery are more restored, and it looks very real. If you have any thoughts or experiences with this software, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.